let's create the slab on grade. We are gonna go for floor slab, but first we will go for a plan. Okay, we will go for the first floor finishing. We will go for floor architectural, and our slab, I'm gonna draw it. It's gonna be inside our columns like this. I know where the beams are. If you don't know them, you activate it so you can attach it to the beams. Okay, so we have created our slab. We will change the span direction into this direction. Wait a second. In the first floor finishing level, ground floor finishing level, we change the span direction from here. Draw a span direction to the shorter one. Okay. Okay. So now we go for properties, and we are gonna create our slab. So we'll begin from any of them. Okay, I will use generic 300 to begin, and we will go for edit. So basically we are gonna duplicate it, set building components, slab on grade. Usually I place all the layers as we did in the walls. So okay, and we go to edit the structure. Please tell me which are the levels and all the layers that we are gonna place. We began with the compacted soil that is already there. We don't have to do it. Which is the next one? No. First of all, we are gonna create an OC layer that is after the soil. We can place it concrete, reinforced concrete, but usually it's OC is just to hold it. Even though it could be reinforced concrete, also depending on the load and the calculations. Okay. After the OC, okay, we will go for the DPM. 2 layers DPM is one, the complex one. After that, usually if we put RC, we'll do it both sides, even though the lower one can be also OC. So it can be OC, both of them, could be RC. It's depending on the loads that we have. If we make both layers OC, when we have walls, we'll have to create beams. If we reinforce the slab, we can have the walls on the slabs. Okay, it's up to you. So you can create OC or RC. I'm gonna create it OC. That is the one that you have in construction one. Even though it's not wrong, usually in my projects I use reinforced concrete. But to continue with the same detailing that you had in the other construction, we'll go for OC. After this, cement screed. After mortar and okay. So let's go for them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. So we'll create 5 extra layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. Okay, we have all of them. Basically, we have to go up with most of them. Okay. We can have the first OC, we can do it in the lower level as finishing, okay? Or we can do it in the core. So we will go for structure level or substrate. And we will look for concrete. So, oops. sorry. So we'll go look for concrete. And we have all these types of concrete. Okay. Usually these ones are, it don't say here, but usually these ones are reinforced. Concrete, sand, cement, screed are not reinforced. So if you are using the one who says that she's going to use reinforced, you can use it. You will use cast in place or in situ. And the ones who are using OC, they will go for concrete. Okay? This one. Even if you want to create your own, you can right bottom, duplicate, ordinary concrete, and you can even change the physical properties, thermal properties, and appearance. Okay, here you can change it if you want. Say okay. Which is the dimension? 10. Someone else? Okay, we'll go for 10, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna place it. Sorry, no, delete this one. I'm gonna place it up. Next layer, I'm gonna go for membrane layer, damp proofing. Okay, I will select the damp proofing. Next one, we'll go for, again, concrete. I'm gonna use the one I created. Thickness of the next layer. Someone else? 12. So you will write 12. It's up to you. I'm not gonna create the detail for you. You have to create the detailing and then you have to give a reason for it. Okay. Then next layer that we have, cement screed. Cement screed will be substrate. So we'll come here, cement screed. How big is this? Height? Eh? 6, someone else? I'm creating whatever you are saying because it's the details that we have already studied. I have my own mind, but you have to create your own. I'm showing you how to create it now. The construction detailing will correct it afterwards. But now we are creating details that you have already done in construction. And you have decided for your project. So she said 620, so 60. So basically, I'm not discussing this detailing. I don't want all of you to have the same detail. The one that you did already and the one that it's corrected in the course by Khaled is the one that you have to create here, because we want that we develop the details and we do it. Okay, so we design and then we place it. So a structure, then we have, okay, finishing, or I think it's too many layers here. Okay, substrate, we'll say mortar, but mortar is again concrete. Anyhow, we can, as we don't have mortar, we can create another layer. But for me, it's too many layers. If I had to do my project, I will do it other way, but I don't see concrete, this one. So mortar, thickness, 13. Okay, 30. And final layer, we'll go for finishing one. Tiles. Which type of tiles? Sorry. For mortar, I use the cement screed, but you can duplicate it and create mortar. If it's my detail, I will create mortar. I will duplicate it and create my own material, because it's the one that when I tag it, I want to appear mortar. I don't want to appear cement-screed. So I will create my own material. Okay, so tiles, which type of tiles? Okay, flooring tiles, ceramic tiles. Okay, I will use ceramic tiles. It's okay, or you are using another ones? So ceramic tiles, 25 by 25. Thickness of the ceramic tiles? Okay. Usually ceramic tiles there are some for exterior that are 2 centi, but interior ones usually are half centi only. The ceramic tiles, the ones that you use in the bathrooms, are half centi, are not 2 centi. 2 centi is the ones that the old ones that we use in the roofs or for outdoor. But the ones that you have in the bathroom, these ones are half centi only. Anyhow, you said 20. As I told you, it's your detail. So 20. So now we go to preview. We'll have why it's not appearing. It should show there. I don't know why it's not showing this time.